Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to pop in and say before I start the vlog for today, good morning, hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning, hello, and how are you? Hope you're having a wonderful morning. I woke up in good spirit. I got my mindset. I got stuff I want to do, things I want to accomplish, and you can't accomplish if you sleep in. So just wanted to encourage you to just get out of bed and start your day. All right, so I'll check back in with you later. All right, bye. So I got the last French toast on the stove, and we're going to be having this with turkey sausage, of course. lunch, I'm having a bagel pizza. Basically, toast your bagel. You add the sauce, the cheese, and I'm adding some oregano on top, garlic powder, and red pepper. And when I'm finished with that, this is the finished result. I microwave it for a little bit. That needs to go back a little bit. But this is how it looks when it's finished. Perfection. And then when it's cool, it's gonna look like that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish making this one, and then I'm gonna be eating that. Right now I'm burning this candle. This is an old candle I got from, I think I got it from Marshall's. And yes, I still have it for this long. So I'll check back in with you later. Evan, Malachi, Nikai, and me. I forgot to add spinach to mine, but that will do. I'll let that cool, but the kids on already. Alright, come find food.
Evan, wait, come for your food. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. I don't know why you pick up you. Alright, so I need 2 hands to pick up this dessert. Basically clean up after myself. So I'll check back in with you later. I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright. Alright, gotta do a taste test. I eat mine with a fork because it's so soft. So I couldn't put too much cheese on mine. But it tastes so good. Cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. Hello, you want some? Hello. Want some? Huh? Huh? Eat it. You gonna put on the piano, really? Alright, so I'll check back in with you later. I'm gonna enjoy this, drink my bottle of water, and then, yeah, chill out for the rest of the day. Alright.